So the ones that come out of the liver, there are two little ones right there that come out of the liver, those are hepatic ducts. Then the one connected to the gallbladder is a cystic duct, and once they join together, it's the common bile duct that goes down to the duodenum. Right, so it all gets mixed together and goes through the duodenum, and that's just 10 inches, and then after that it's jejunum and ileum, which don't worry about where jejunum ends and ileum begins, but all this 20 feet or so of small intestine until you get to here. Most of the absorption and digestion goes on here. That's where the real chemical reactions occur, most of them. I mean, there's a little bit in the stomach, it gets started, but you don't absorb very much out of the stomach at all. Most of it gets absorbed in really a lot more different variety of enzymes here from the pancreas and on those microvilli that we looked at in the slides. Okay, so after most of the food is absorbed, then what's left is called chyme. It's all, once it's liquefied, it's all called chyme, but it's kind of mostly garbage chyme at this point. Fiber and undigested food that was harder to digest. And so here's the end of the ileum going into the first part of the small intestine, that's the cecum. And the valve there is outlined in white, that's the ileocecal valve that controls how fast that goes in there. The appendix in here is here, which is lymphatic tissue, lymph nodules wrapped around a little hollow thing there, and it helps protect against cancer and some infections and stuff. So, so then the food is going to go upward. Here are the chyme, will go upward, so we call it ascending colon there. And then where it goes across, that's the transverse colon. It comes down through the descending colon. All the time it's getting dehydrated. We're taking the water and the electrolytes, and the bacteria in there produce some nutrients for us too, and we're getting some of that out of it. So then here it goes through the sigmoid colon, which is an S-turn, sigmoid being the Greek letter S, and then the last part is straight, so they call it rectum, like the rectus abdominis and the rectus femoris, the vertical section of something, or vertical muscle in the case of the rectus moris. But so that's the rectum, and that goes out, of course. I think that's it. You can't see the pancreatic islets at all in the pancreas. It's just this green lumpy thing here.